Hey friends, if you encounter the error where switch user option is missing from your Windows login screen, then please watch this video. Actually, it is missing on almost every login screen. So we have a registry level path for you, which is okay. I'll simply show it to you on the registry editor. Search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open it. Go to HKey local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, policies and system. Right click in the open space, new div 32-bit value, and name this one hide fast user switching. Okay, I will rename it hide fast user switching. Double click on it, make sure that the value data is 0. Click on OK and restart your computer. This time when you restart your computer, the switch user option will be available. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.